When someone steps into a new home, it's not just opening a door, but definitely opens a new chapter. As a host, we welcome a lot of guests to the new home to take their blessings and good wishes. And as part of a return gift, we definitely want to give something worthy, and that is timeless. Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing well. My name is Shweta. In today's video, I'm going to take you through 5 beautiful brass gifts that you can consider gifting as a return gift for a housewarming ceremony. All these look very classy, will stand the test of time, and definitely comes at a very affordable price. As part of Vettri's Joy of Gifting Brass Edit sale, avail flat 15% discount on our entire collection of brass gifts. I will now take you through the products one by one. Let's get started. The first one for today is this very small and adorable cow with a calf, a very apt choice of gift to be given away for a housewarming ceremony. This one comes with black antique work, which makes it very convenient to keep it as is for a very long time. Use a wet cloth and just dust it. This will stay as is. This particular product is priced at $789, a solid yet sturdy piece. The next one is my personal favorite, a Kalpavriksha tree that comes with beautiful tile work in green and red. A Kalpavriksha tree is always considered a symbol of prosperity, and receiving this and giving it to your loved ones both brings in a lot of abundance, and hence a very popular choice of gift at Vettri. We have different sizes and finishes available. The one that I'm showing you is priced at $950, available to be purchased in large quantities. Buddha is a favorite for a lot of us. Brings in positivity and serenity when kept at any place. And hence, this becomes a very popular choice of return gift to be given to your loved ones. A very unique piece indeed, comes with yellow antique work, will stay as is for a very long time. Priced at $790. Vettri, your favorite gifting brand, has 5,000 plus gift options, all created in India. We take a lot of pride in taking these beautifully handcrafted products to the world. We have all our products listed online on our website www.vettri.com. We undertake both domestic and international shipping. If you are in Chennai, Hyderabad or Bengaluru, I welcome you to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection of gifts. We also personalize and customize gifts to make sure that every single gift that you buy at Vettri is very unique and special. Go ahead and shop online or order through our customer support team at 99622 for any kind of assistance. A very simple yet utility brass tray that has been an evergreen product at Vettri. This comes with floral embossing all throughout, comes with a diameter of 8.5 inches, a very classy handle, making it very convenient to put to use for a long time. A super utility return gift that you can consider gifting to your loved ones as part of housewarming or any special occasion. This particular brass tray is priced at $635. A very unique product indeed. This is a set of 2 wine glass. This comes with small size with brass as base. This particular product comes with electroplating of nickel and silver. The one on the top looks like silver and the one below comes with gold plating. Looks very classy indeed. This comes as a set of 2 in a velvet box, making it very convenient to present your loved ones. Priced at $925. Brass is definitely more than a gift. Practical, meaningful, and rooted in tradition, these are timeless treasures that will always be appreciated by the person receiving it, and they will be put to use for a very long time. And what better happiness can you get as a host when you present these beautiful brass items as a return gift for your special occasion? Go ahead and shop online for these very classy return gifts in brass on our website www.vettri.com. If you are in Chennai, Hyderabad or Bengaluru, I welcome you to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection of gifts. As part of Joy of Gifting Brass Edit sale, we are offering flat 15% discount on our entire collection of brass gifts. We have different types of products available, and all these sale is applicable until 30th of April. Also avail up to 10% discount on the entire range of products based on the quantity you order. Shop online or visit our stores. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.